Good morning, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Rina Just TV. For this vlog, pag-uusapan natin ang mga activities in the conduct of SET. SET is Sustainability Evaluation Test. So, ang una nyong gawin is, mayroon kayong opening program. So, sa opening program, mayroon niyang opening remarks. Siyempre, opening remarks, acknowledgement of the participants, then, sa acknowledgement of the participants, kailangan yung introduce the members of the MSIT. Ano ba yung MSIT? MSIT, sila yung Multi-Stakeholders Inspectorate Team. Ang MSIT composed of the following: MPDO, ME, MSWDO, MDRRMO, MHO, MAO or MAO SB representative, barangay captain, BDC TWG chairperson, CSOs, IPOs, representative for other barangays, kailangan din yun for the expanded MSIT, then AC and TF. So the team leader po ng MSIT is ang MPDO at saka ME. Then co-team leader si AC and the technical facilitator. So the next thing to do is present the objectives of the activity. Present yung objectives kung bakit kayo nag-conduct ng SET. Then, number 3, explain the procedures of the activity of their participation and inform the participants of their expected roles. So, ipaalam nyo sa kanila kung ano ba talaga ang roles and functions of the participants during the conduct of SET or the Sustainability Evaluation Test. Then 4, undertake actual inspection of all structures and substructures. So you should include photo documentation. Ideally, a maximum of a half day shall be spent for one sub-project. Then the next thing to do is do the focus group discussion. In the focus group discussion, you should explain the participants the components of the tool kasi mayroon kayong tool na gagamitin. Then, conduct exit conference. So in the exit conference, the MSIT shall present the findings. So i-present nila doon sa participants kung ano yung findings doon sa pag-conduct ninyo ng SET. I-present nila yung mga observations and recommendations to the operation and maintenance group or the organization. Then, in the exit conference, the participants should share their experience, thoughts and comments on the evaluation activity. So, magbigay din ng mga experiences ng mga participants at saka comments and suggestions during the conduct of the activity. Magbigay ng mga comments, suggestions kung ano talaga ang nangyari, bakit nagkaganon yung resulta. Then, observe the gaps and action points shall serve as inputs during the action planning. So, kung ano man yung mga nakitang mga problema doon, so yun yung yun yung basis kung ano ang talaga, kung paano gagawa kayo ng plans for the future activities. Next, explain the ratings and ask recommendation and suggestions to the participants. So, the MSIT will explain the ratings kung bakit yun lang yung nakuha na ratings, no? Mayroon kasi yung ratings sa bawat conduct ng SET. So, explain nila doon sa participants kung bakit ganun lang yung ratings na nakuha nila. Next is conduct an action planning and tactic session. So, the FGD participants shall prepare action plan to address the findings presented during the exit conference. Sino ba yung FGD? So sila yung the focus group discussion participants. Yung lahat na nag-attend doon during the conduct of SET ay gagawa ng plans kung paano ma-address yung mga findings na nakikita. Then the last thing to do is wrap up, summarize, and schedule the succeeding evaluation. Then you should record the lessons learned. Kasi after the turnover of the sub-project, 6 months of every year na mag-conduct ng Sustainability Evaluation Test. Pero once na ma-declare na yung sub-project, 6 months after ma-declare na yung sub-project na completed na yon, so mag-conduct na evaluation test. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for watching. So kung nagustuhan niyo ang video ito, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. God bless us all.